Hey babies, welcome back. I missed you. So we have a couple of things to do today. I ordered something from Amazon. You all know I'm an Amazon affiliate marketer, so if you like what I ordered, I do earn on qualifying purchases. But let's get into this video. So I ordered me a mannequin. Why did I order a mannequin? Because they're fly. No other purpose besides that. I have been thinking about opening up an online boutique. Look at that. Already gorgeous, right? You know, my colors are green, gold, white, black, but green is my papa color. So I got this mannequin and it didn't take long to get here, a couple of days. Mine has the torso, these mechanical looking arms that look like they're from Star Trek, and it also has a head. So without reading the directions or anything, because I'm bad like that, I'm gonna put this together. Kids don't play games and it's loving ain't the same. I don't know what to say. Okay, so here's the head. You've seen the arms. I'm gonna put this head on the torso or attach it to the neck. Now, there is a little red rubber protector that's protecting where you screw that head into that neck. So I'm just gonna take that off. I'm glad they put that on there so I can make sure it's not stripped or anything. And I'm just gonna twist this head around until I get it nice and tight. Okay, so now for the arms. I'm gonna take each arm, try to figure out which one is left, which one is right. They look to be pretty, oh, look at that. Y'all, the fingers move. Each individual knuckle, thumb, pinky, they all move. So I thought that was pretty cool. I'm going to determine which one is left, which one is right. And I'm just gonna stick the arm in the socket, and I'm gonna twist that around until I get that nice and tight. Now, after I did this, I looked in the box and I realized that there were these white plastic pieces that you probably should put in before you twist that arm in there. But I didn't use those, so my bad. Make sure you read the directions, and if you want to use those, and you use those. Also, be careful when you're cutting the plastic off of these arms, because you don't want to scratch that gold off of the arm with your scissors. So be careful and be mindful when doing so. Don't let me just let up. I want to give you better. Maybe it's whatever. And homegirl has some long arms, so not like my little short Tyrannosaurus Rex arms. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any effort. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. These are the plastic pieces I was telling you about. So I believe these were supposed to go into the shoulder socket first. So be sure to read your directions to place those where they need to go. And here is the base for the mannequin. I was a little thrown off about the base because it has some type of manufacturing label on the front, and I didn't understand that, so I thought that should be on the bottom where you couldn't see it. But then I thought, hey, it's giving it a little something, so it won't be so dressy. You'll have some dressy and then some a factory type look or quality to it. So I kind of started to dig it after a while. I may cover it and I may not, just depends. And here is the pole that you attach the mannequin to. It's gold like the arms. They give you that little Allen wrench to take out the screw at the bottom. So that was pretty simple. And you're gonna put that same screw, the bottom of the base, and then you take that pole and attach that pole to the base. Also be careful because that base was glass. So I feel like one wrong move, if I would have dropped it, it may have broken. So be careful with that base. And now I'm just picking old girl up. She has 2 holes at the bottom. So you can display her in the middle or display her, I guess, leaning to one side, which I don't know why anybody would want to do that. But there was a screw attached to one of those holes. So whichever side you choose to use, you can tighten it with that screw on that hole. So you can take that screw out and either put it in the middle or on the left or right side. And that little knob that I've been messing with, that's to tighten up the pole. So if you lift it up, you can tighten it. And if you want to bring it down, you can tighten it as well. So this is her at the height that I want her to be at. About my height. She's gorgeous. Look at her. That's a suede or velvet type material. I'm going to take a lint brush maybe and roll her off to get all the lint. That base, I can cover that. I showed you the metallic or mosaic sticker. I can cover that base with that sticker. But for now, she is who she is. And I love it. I think I should name her. What should her name be? And remember that the link for her will be in the description box. Okay, y'all. I'm back. We got more stuff that I ordered. Let's get into it. Kids on playing games and it's love and ain't the same. Now these took forever to get here, but they were well worth the wait. I am so happy. Remember those green knot pillows that I ordered I wasn't happy with? They were shrink wrapped. They weren't the right green. I ordered the gold ones. They took longer because they weren't primed, but look at these. They're gorgeous. So it says Sweet Life on the bag. So shout out to Sweet Life. The link for these pillows will be in the description box if you like them. I ordered 3 and all 3 of them came with no issues. And they are just what I wanted. So we're going to figure out where to put these bad boys. So I had originally thought that I was going to put the knot pillows in my bedroom, 1 in each little accent chair up against the wall and maybe 1 on the bed. But once I saw them and I saw how sexy they were, I knew they had to go in the living room. I had initially wanted the pop of green in the living room, but that gold was given. So I went ahead and placed them on the couch, love seat, and the chair. I did order more mosaic mirror tile. This is the 750 pieces, I believe, so that we can finally finish up this table. And that's what we're gonna do now. It came with 3 big pieces, so this should be enough. Want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. My expertise is more in shopping and decorating. I like to buy things, but we have just been working on this table for way too long, so we are going to finish it today. Now, originally I decided not to wrap the sticker around the corners, but since it was just taking me so long to get this done, this time around I did decide to wrap the sticker around the corners. So I am continuing to measure, cut, peel, and place that sticker where I want it to go. Kids on playing games and it's love and ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would not get the same. If you were mine, you would top everything. Suicide in the drop, switch your lanes in the day so fast. Cocktail break, and tonight's drink is margarita. Y'all know I love a good margarita with a little salt. Don't mind the sticker on the bottom of the glass. And it's back to work. Hey, somebody tag HGTV and tell them I'm looking for employment. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And this is the finished product. Okay, so this is what we have left over from both boxes. You all can just roll that up nice and neatly and store it away for the next project. Okay, so call me crazy, but I was thinking, what if you did not want to do the mirror subway tile, or if you live in an apartment and need something that's renter friendly, what if you were to put the sticker, mosaic mirror sticker, on a kitchen wall as backsplash? Something to think about. Might be a good idea. Okay, so next week's project is going to be putting these lights up underneath the island and up underneath the cabinets in the kitchen, which I should have did a long time ago, but I procrastinate. So stay tuned for next week, and we'll be doing our second DIY project. I just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. God bless you all. I love you. Good night. Bye, babies. The other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing.